he goes. Look at him. He's just not even bothered running. Hey, little buddy. You can make me walk way away from my bike. He's not even running. That's just amazing. He's even eating. He doesn't give a about me. Unbelievable. You don't care, do you? Because you know I'm not going to eat you. Hey, you looking at me? Hey, no, buddy. Why don't you come a little closer if you're so brave? I've never seen a Roadrunner do this. Nah, there he goes. I'm going to go back to my bike because you're just going to keep walking it. Look at him. Look at this. Okay, I give up.